everybody, I'm Rachna. I'm from Aditya Engineering College. I'm the CSC student, and then now I have placed in two service-based company. One is LTI Infotech and another is a TCS. I'm here in this video to say you about LTI experience and then TCS experience. First, I would like to say my LTI Infotech experience. In this, I just qualified, and then I just step by step three process I have attended. One is a written test, and then another is GD, and then is a technical interview. Cool guys, there is no technical round, just a HR round. Yes. Next, in this written test, there will be a psychometric test, and then aptitude test, and then technical questions, which mean technical MCQs, and then next a coding question, and then next written English test. Now I'll like every questions like aptitude questions, technical questions. Both the MCQs are the medium level, guys. Just you can practice in your technical means as per your subject knowledge, and the next aptitude means how much you have practiced it. That enough. And then easy guys, everybody can attend easily. Next, and then coding round is really tough. We need to concentrate more on the logical thinking and all, and the coding length, they will give one scenario, you need to solve it. Next, psychometric test, guys. In the psychometric test, they will literally test about your thinking. If a person, for example, how the person will think, if suppose another person is there, like they have shown some aggressive nature on you, or else they have insulted you, or else they are point outing you, how you will react. All these questions will come. You just genuinely answer it. You need to attempt 86 questions in the 20 minutes. Means you need to blindly need to give about all about you. That's it. The only trick is give all about you. That's it. Next, technical that you need to prepare. And then as I told you, wet is of 10 minutes. You need to very much practice about your written English, more about written English. You need to write a more without any spelling mistakes, and then without any sentence mistake. That's enough. Next is GD level. GD, all everybody knows that GD is like you need to be cool, calm. You need to take an opportunity, and then you need to give an opportunity to others. You need to open up, and then you need to talk. That is the first thing. And next, HR interview. This HR interview is really awesome experience for me, which I haven't experienced it. What in the sense, I'll just entered into the HR room, and then I'll just told him, "Good morning, sir." He said, "Good morning. Introduce yourself." I just started. He make me to stop in between. In between him, he stopped me and then told like, "What? I just wanna know about your wet," he said. I said, "Okay, what sir, how?" He asked me like, "How you have written your wet? Is this much English, is this much low in this Aditya college? You don't have a minimum English also?" Like that, something he has insulted me, literally. And then he said like, "Okay, but what you written is okay, but you have written in one point of view only. Is there no other point of views?" Means he mean to write me in all point of view about the topic, but I have written in only one or two points as per my view, and then one or two points. Like that he scolded me. I just genuinely said like, "Sir, I am having 10 minutes, and then wet I have taken in the last of my test. By giving all the other tests, somewhat tiredness, and then somewhat not unpleasant, and then next 10 minutes in the time, how I am unable to write more than this, sir." I have like this, I have replied him politely and then genuinely. That is the reason that I have written less. He told me, "Acha, 10 minutes is not sufficient to you to write a single topic?" He asked me in the opposite. I told, "Yes sir, in that I have written this only." "Okay, I'll give you again 10 minutes. I'll give you paper and pen. You need to write it again," he told. "Okay sir, I'll write. You should not cross the 10 minutes, and then you need to write neatly and then give me," he said. Okay, so sure, I said. And then I have taken paper and pen, and then he said me to sit in another cabin. I have started writing about the topic which I have given in the exam only. And then next, in the topic, I have mentioned other views which other than I have given in the exam. Then he, after writing my 10 minutes, I have went to his cabin and then given the paper. Sir, I have got done, and then 10 minutes also over, sir, I said. Ha, acha, okay. Okay, he said, and then seen my paper. Usually he said, first of all he said like, what, are you filled the paper with all gaps and then size of your letters are big, he said. So no sir, usually really my writing is like that only, means I'll give some spaces and then my words are somewhat big only. So I said, no sir, really my way of writing is that only, I don't want to cheat anything sir, normally I have written, once can you consider it, I said like this. He said seen my few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds around whole paper like this. I think he haven't read 4 to 5 lines also even. He seen and then said get lost, means not to get lost, he said like go, okay, you done with the day, you can go. Okay, I came, I thought I won't select, I literally felt bad. Only about a wait of 10 minutes round I have disqualified, I felt. And then he said me like that to go, and then some disturbance got in the HR, and then I'll be okay later. Next day got the result, and then I have been selected for the company. And then I got to know from my seniors that and then in the psychometric test, what they have given you questions like how you will respond if anybody is aggressive on you, how you will respond to the another superiors, how you will way of saying and all that I given, like I'll be calm, I'll agree my mistake, and then I'll accept their things, like if they have said me to do some other thing, I'll accept. I have written like that in the psychometric test. I have kept that options, I have selected that options in the psychometric MCQs. So that only I have faced in the HR. See, if really he means that I don't write good, I haven't written good in the English, and then I haven't written nice, will they select me? No, right? Means I have written, he has checked my psychometric questions, means what the answers which I have given for the psychometric questions, am I right or wrong? Means I have genuinely kept the answers, or else I have selected the answers which are good and then given. Means by this experience of mine, please guys give the genuine answers. If not, if in case you feel like I should select anyway like that, and then you have given 1 or 2 false, be on that words till the interview process. They will check you in any way they will check your psychometric like that. That is the main experience. I'll just face it like a HR aggressiveness and all. I felt I won't get, finally I got. Happy. All the ways guys, do well, practice well, just be calm and then polite and then give your answer nicely. You'll be selected, no worry. Good, bye.